you so much po.
Siyempre, kailangan i-blow mo muna yan, Ash. Sabay-sabay naman tayo, guys. Happy birthday, Ashtin Odiga. In 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Ashtin Odiga!
Thank you so much po.
And blow muna, Ash. And then, I wish muna. And then blow. Parang ang dami mo namang wish. Wow! Ano yung isa? Pwede malaman? Hindi. Secret
Ay,
lang.
grabe
And
naman.
of course, you have flowers from the Viva Beauty, Viva Artist Agency,
Thank you po.
Viva Records, and VAA Live. And we would like to thank Paper Moon Cafe, home of the world famous milk crepe, and Viva Artist Agency for Ashtin's cake this afternoon. Maraming salamat. Ang cute ng cake.
Ang cute nga.
Thank you, Paper Moon.
Thank you po.
Ayan, Ashtin, siguro you can sit now if you want.